Okay, everyone, so a little bit of a mixed review here. We're doing a lot, really. This is kind of a hard unit. But we've got to make sure we get it down because the truth of the matter is that all these things will come back together later on this semester, next year, the year after. You need to just know how to do it, okay? So, first two, go ahead and pause me before we even start this process and try to work the ones out. Just a little bit of review. I think I'll do 8, maybe 12 problems. We'll see how it goes with time. First two, actually all of them, I'm looking for you to tell me the slope. Now it says the slope, but I want obviously the slope and the y-intercept. Okay, so give me both of those things. Here in the first two, very, very simple. Hopefully you've unpaused me because you got the right answers. Y-intercept is 1. Okay, don't just circle. Tell me what it is. The slope is 6 over 5. Okay, now listen. The slope is never x. Ever, ever, ever. Never, ever put x anywhere in slope. Okay, it has nothing to do with x. X is just a term. It's just the letter. It's the point, or it's the x value of the point on the graph. We'll get into that later. Very simple here. Here, y-intercept, -1. Here, slope, also -1. Okay, whatever is in front of x. If there's nothing in front of x besides that, it's a 1. In this case, it's a -1. Here, for the bottom two, I need to make this look like slope-intercept form. So don't just circle things. Okay, that's totally wrong. So 8x plus 3y equals -9. I am taking away whatever the term is with x and moving it. So in this case, I have to subtract it. Okay. I'm going to rewrite, which is 3y. That's going to equal -8x minus 9. And then I'm dividing whatever is next to y everywhere. Okay, so I'm left with y equals -8 over 3x minus 3. Slope is -8 over 3. Y-intercept is -3. I'm going to shoot up the answer for that one. So you can see that. Slope is 5 over 2. What do you think the y-intercept is? I think it's 0. Let's see. So 5x minus 2y equals 0. Minus 5x minus 5x. -2y equals -5x. Now it's plus 0, but I don't have to write that, right? Because we don't have to write a plus 0. Divide by -2. Y equals 5 over 2x. Now this is interesting. The slope is 5 over 2. The y-intercept is 0 because there is nothing over here. When you see nothing, you have to represent that by a number. And the number that best represents nothing is 0. Okay? So the y-intercept is 0. So if I were to plot this line, right? Please make sure you're putting this all together. If I were to plot this line, make this line on the graph, I'm going to plot the y-intercept first. Well, the y-intercept is 0. All right, it's 0. So plot it. Then I go up 5 over 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2. Done. All right? Cool. Let's go on to some other ones here. I think I have a few more problems. Let's do 8. I'm already at 3 minutes. Yep. Okay. Let's just, you're seeing the answers. Let's not do those. I'm not doing number 5 because that's super easy. Find -3 on the y-axis, which is right here, and plot that line. It's side to side, which means the slope is 0. And the y-intercept is whatever it says that the number is here. So let's just do these two. Okay? I want you to just get your graph of the line. Again, these are in standard form. So you need to put them in slope-intercept form. So go ahead and try that. I'll put the answers on the board for that. So pause me, and now unpause me. There are your answers. Okay? There are your answers. Pause it if you didn't get it. I think I have some slope-intercept ones here. I don't. Wow. Let's just do this one then to kind of wrap things up. We'll do it together. Okay. Standard form. I need to make it look like slope-intercept in order to plot this. So let's make it slope-intercept form. 4x plus y equals 5. I am getting rid of whatever the term is with x, which means I'm moving it to the other side, which means I have to do the opposite of whatever this is. Now I'm going to rewrite. So this is y equals -4x, and that's a plus 5 that's there. I don't have to do any dividing because y is already by itself. All right? So that's my line. The y-intercept is 5. Now I'm not going to go off the graph because the slope is -4 over 1. Okay? So down 4, 1, 2, 3, 4 over 1. This is the line. Let's see the magic. Right? Let's make sure that this is right. which I am. Yes. Stupid software. I think that's better than me. Make it line all the way down. Whatever. All right. Hopefully we're getting awesome at this. We would have already re-quizzed, so hopefully your quizzes are good. Because see, I'm in the future right now, and I'm doing it right now in like Monday. That's how I roll. Okay. That doesn't make any sense. All right.